What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to bring you an unboxing of a gun that I've been waiting for a long time. If any of you guys been in the market for an AR-10, y'all know how hard they've been to find. They've been pretty much out of stock everywhere unless you went with a building it yourself or got a PSA model. But this is one that I had on my radar, and I'm excited to unbox it with you guys.
Ray.
Yeah.
What's the name of that nightclub of yours again?
You talking about the Boom Boom Room?
Yeah, the Boom Boom Room. That's it.
All right, let's open up this box. So this is what it looks like in the box. It's got the foam cutout pattern in the shape of the gun. Get your sticker. Get your lock. So it comes in this plastic. You get your manual here. So yeah, this is the new SFAR. Stands for small frame auto loading rifle. It's chambered in .308 by .762. So it does shoot both. Some people don't consider this an AR-10, but it's not an AR-15. I consider it an AR-10. It shoots .308. This is a lightweight. It's the same weight as a AR-15, but it's just chambered in .308. So you get the same weight as an AR-15 with the same stopping power as an AR-10. This is the 16-inch barrel. It has, here's your compensator. Pretty cool. I like that. I forgot the name of that comp. It has short length gas port. Let's see if I can see it here. That it has 3 settings. Oh, actually 4, because it has 0. But they recommend you leave it on setting 3 for the first 200 or 300 rounds, and after that, take it to adjust the gas to setting 2. You got your adjustable mag pull stop. I'm probably going to change that. This does look better than the standard one that came with my AR-15. But I think I'm gonna change it. Handguard doesn't have Picatinny all the way down, which I like. I like this smooth section here. So little smooth section you can put your hand at. You got your Picatinny in the front where you can add your iron sights. I'm probably gonna put on a ambidextrous charging handle. Let's see. Okay, I went and got my AR, my Ruger 5.56. So you can see the comparison as far as the size. They are the same size. They are about the same width. So yeah, I don't know. I gotta see how I feel about this pistol grip. I might want to upgrade it to one more like this. Maybe put a buttstock like this on it, or I'm thinking about I like that Daniel Defense buttstock. So I might get that if I can find them in stock. Also, check out the size difference in the mag wheel. This is the 5.56. This is the 308. So as you can see, it's much thicker, wider. So yeah, I've been wanting an AR-10 for a minute. Probably like the past 2 years I've been wanting one. What kind of scope do y'all think I should put on it? Leave your comments below, and I'm gonna read all y'all suggestions on what kind of scope you think I should put on this. I can't wait to get this to the range. I've read a lot about this gun, done a lot of research before I went aboard it, and everybody said how light it was, and I do agree with that. This gun is 6 pounds, I believe, 6 pounds, 5 ounces. It's very light. It does feel like a AR-15. So this scratched that itch of me wanting that AR-10. So I think I'm done looking for an AR-10. But yeah, I finally got me one. I think next on my list is I want that M&P metal. Hopefully I'll have a video of that coming up soon. And then I'll probably have some footage of me taking this thing to the range. But yeah, this is my new SFAR, Ruger SFAR, chambered in 308, 7.62. And I finally got one. I can go ahead on and scratch this off the list. So yeah, thanks for checking out this unboxing with me. I'm gonna get on out of here, and leave your comments, or if you got any questions about this below. And I want to get some suggestions on what type of scope y'all think I should put on this one. So I'm leaning towards a 6x24x50. So yeah, let me see what y'all think and see what I come up with. So anyway, thanks for checking out the video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.